In this tutorial, I will show you how to make faceless videos in Canva. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. Search for Video Landscape and select it. Now go to the Videos tab. Search for a background video that fits your topic. Add the video to your canvas and adjust it. Next, go to Elements and search for Music. Add a background music track to your timeline. Adjust the length to match your video. Now add your script using text. Place text on screen or keep it minimal. You can also upload voiceover audio or use text-to-speech. Align your visuals with your audio. Preview your video to check flow and timing. Make small adjustments if needed. Once you're happy, click on Share. Click Download and choose MP4 format. That is how you make faceless videos in Canva.